Hi, I'm Elizabeth Davis, the Student Success Librarian at the Gertrude Kistler Memorial Library. In this video, I'll go over how to use Copyleaks, our plagiarism software, on your assignment. When you log on to Canvas, you're going to want to go to Assignments, and you'll click the plus assignment to create a new assignment. Test. You can add the points and adapt however you want. You'll then have assignment submission type as online, and I tend to limit it to file uploads, but you can change it any way you want. And then you'll see where it says plagiarism review. I'm going to click on Copyleaks plagiarism checker. Now the cool thing about this is that you can really adapt it to your needs. So it is automatically set for scan internet and enable cheat detection. But let's say you know that your class is going to be using quotes. So you can say, you know what? Ignore quotes. Ignore references because again, it's going to pick up those references. Ignore title. And that way, when you see the plagiarism score, it isn't all over the place. It isn't saying, oh, here's a quote that was actually referenced. No, straightforward. But for right now, I'm just going to keep it on the default settings. You'll keep scrolling down and you'll enter the due date and hit save. Okay, so now you have the assignment made. What does the plagiarism software actually look like? I'm going to go to Speed Grader, and I uploaded an example where I have different forms of plagiarism and not plagiarism. So for example, at the very top, I have something that is completely plagiarized from Wikipedia, copied and pasted. Underneath, I have the same text, but I've changed it around just a little bit. So it's not the exact wording, but it's pretty close. Then I have paraphrase. And finally, I have something with a basic citation, basic APA citation. Now on your end, on the right-hand side, you're going to see submitted files and then a score. This is the plagiarism score. I'm going to pull that up. And unsurprisingly, this has a very high plagiarism score. So there are different colors to denote the different types of plagiarism. You have red for identical, lighter red, minor changes, yellow for paraphrased, and white for omitted words. Now you're going to want to make sure you look at this report. So for example, the section I copied and pasted straight from Wikipedia all turns up red. But when I go down to where I have a basic APA citation with a quote, it still comes up red. So for some students, you may get a 10% report saying, oh, they plagiarized, but when you go in, you see that they provided parenthetical citation or footnote citation and a quote. And it's going to pick that up. So you will want to adjust the plagiarism software so that it will say ignore quotes, ignore references, or spend some time reading these reports. I hope this helps explain Copyleaks, our plagiarism software, and how to use it. If you have any questions, please email us at library@rosemont.edu or drop on by.